Hi everyone, my name is Neil Morrissey, and welcome to my course, Implement Windows Server 2019 Identity Federation and Access Solutions. I'm a solutions architect and developer, and I'll be guiding you through the latest version of Active Directory Federation services in this course. ADFS is a role in Windows Server 2019 that allows you to centralize authentication and authorization and provide access to applications. It also lets your organization federate with other organizations, so users can log into externally hosted applications using their own internal credentials, all while keeping passwords securely stored on premises. And ADFS offers a variety of ways for users to authenticate. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include installing ADFS and upgrading from previous versions, understanding claims-based authentication and how it works in ADFS, configuring the various authentication methods ADFS supports, like Windows Integrated, Forms-based, and stronger authentication methods, like Azure MFA and Windows Hello for Business. And you'll learn how to federate your organization with another organization, as well as how to federate with Azure AD, so users have single sign-on to applications hosted in the cloud. By the end of this course, you'll know how to leverage ADFS for authentication and authorization within your environment. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Windows Server 2019 in general. An understanding of group policy and Active Directory certificate services would be helpful too. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Active Directory Federation services with the course Implement Windows Server 2019 Identity Federation and Access Solutions, here on Pluralsight.